This model kit review is of the Macchi 205, and this is a 1/48 scale model kit by Tauro models. This is made in Italy. Gives you some of the details about the plane, and we'll have a look to see what this model kit is like. First of all, here we have our canopy. We actually have some flashing on these clear parts. We have a look at the model. We have some recessed panel lines. It's not very crisp, some of those lines. They're irregular. We have a fair amount of flashing really throughout this whole sprue. As you can see, it's not very smooth. Here we have some engine parts, so it'll be good to see some engine detail, but again, lots of mold lines, lots of flashing. Requires a fair amount of work to clean that up. Here's our elevators and our wheel well covers. Inside the cockpit, though, there's actually a fair amount of detail, really on both sides. Yeah, this molding quality is not very good. You can see a lot of flashing here. It's definitely not smooth. We have landing gear, we've got our cockpit floor. Put some bulkheads. Look at these pieces here. They've got it just flashing everywhere. Absolutely everywhere. Here's some other parts to the engine. And radiator intakes. And engine cover. Looks like probably our ailerons here. Wow, tremendous amount of flashing. It makes it really difficult to really appreciate the parts. Here's our instrument panel, it looks like. And wings. We'll just see what our wheel wells look like. Again, it's not very smooth. We've got some detail here for the wheel well. Let's have a look at the inside. Here are the decals. Looks like we have probably two options here. Nicely printed though. Fair amount of detail. Here's our instrument panel. And here's the decal and paint guide. Here's the one version. And on the other side we have the other version. Here's the instruction guide. Okay, first of all we have the parts listing. Lots and lots of parts, as you can see. There's the clear parts. We start off with the engine build. Looks like the guns go on top there. That's then put into the fuselage as well as the cockpit. And you can see here we've got the paint guide, which is a little interesting with the different signs. And we have rear assembly, flaps, and then that's all put onto the fuselage, including the stabilizer, tail, propeller, and lots of other little pieces here and there. And we then have the final assembly of the engine bay cover. So all in all, a fair amount of detail, but there's the molding quality is not very good.